And this is our second idea. It's a crime thriller, where with the props being vase, cleaver with fake blood, police tape, forensic equipment, severed hand, and a chalk outline with a stump where one of the hands should be. There will be a murder at a house, and the detective has gone there after everyone has left because he's had an idea, or he's got a bit of sixth sense, or at least that's what he tells his commander, his captain, his leader, whatever you want to call him. We'll have a twist coming up to the end where the detective is the murderer, and we will show that by having the severed hand in the fridge at the murderer's, the detective's home, and then we'd cut to black after that. As the detective goes around the house looking for items, looking out items, seeing what they are, they'll have flashbacks to how each of those certain items were used. Anyone else want to add anything?
It's a crime thriller, obviously.
Yeah.
Do you talk about the atmosphere?
I didn't. What kind of atmosphere are we gonna have this with?
We should make it like kind of darkish, like in terms of lighting.
Mm-hmm.
To add on the effect that it's a mystery.
Like it says in like there, one idea is a noir aspect,
Mm-hmm.
but then the chroma key is gonna be the red symboling blood, obviously.
To make the red pop
Yeah.
more. Otherwise, it'll be just in black and white.
And then in the other idea is just gonna be dark with a dark blue palette, like
Like
the shadow.
a filter over the top.
Yeah. So like the shadows in like a dark blue thing, but it's still gonna be like dark. It's basically like a noir, but with dark blue shadows and that. So
it'll look it'll have a like tinge of blue over the screen.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anything else we want to add?
Do you talk about the location?
Yeah, it'll be in a house, a working house with about average income.
Yeah.
So the victim is.
What about the characters? Are they like? Should we go in depth with the characters? So say like they're just average workers. The victim who got murdered. She got murdered in a semi-detached house. Would they be upper middle class or just middle class?
Middle class. She'd probably be at home while her husband's at work, for example.
So she's just a housewife then?
That's what I would think.
Yeah, practically a housewife.
Where would we have like the murder actually be? Like in the house, outside the house, living room, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen?
What the murder?
Murder. Where does the murder take place?
I'll say living room.
That's what I'm thinking.
As simple
Any
as that.
input from the other guys?
Yeah, maybe it should be maybe kind of outside the house. Maybe kind of obvious the murder is in there, but
Maybe we have like the murderer chase the victim around a little bit. So as the detective is looking around, finding furniture that's been moved, and that would trigger a flashback to sort of see how that sort of thing happened.
Yeah, but I think that's just going to be more effort if it's like outside. To say like, if the victim got thrown out the window, then we have to...
We wouldn't be able to do that because we can't really throw someone out of a window.
Yeah, without getting
too much expense.
Yeah, without getting sugar glass,
Mm.
something like that. So
But what I'm kind of thinking is we shoot the location in like 2 times. So the first time would be the murderer coming into the house and killing the victim. With the second go around the house, it would be the detective going around looking at things.
at his point of view.
Yeah. So during the time that the detective finds something, would take from the first set of clips we got and add that in there. Then go back to the second set, first set, second set, and go on like that.
Cool.
So we film the murder taking place, and then we film the detective going around looking at the murder.
Don't mind that. Still.
Is there anything else that we should add? Is that everything? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're probably going to go with our this idea, the crime thriller idea, rather than the going out for the night. Or at least that's my point of view. Because I think we can do so well with this idea rather than going out, because that's extremely simple.
Yeah.
What do you guys think we should do? Idea 1 or idea 2?
I do too, yeah.
Idea 2? Idea 2. So that's cool. Going for idea 2 then.
Yeah.
Anything else we should say before I end it?
No.
No? No? Okay.